Magandang hapon po ng Saturday, August 3, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, August 3, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 3, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Saturday, August 3, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for August 3, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Saturday, August 3, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.